Hello, dear respected viewers. Assalamu alaikum. This is Mikhal Zaman. Hope you're bright and shiny. I'm also great. Today, our topic is: can we use or should we use grey water for watering plant? Alright, this is very important, so you should know about it. So, are you interested? If you are, this video is only for you. Without any further talking, let's begin. At first, what do we mean by grey water? Grey water means the water we used. Like in simple language, we can say second-hand water. For example, after washing clothes, in the bucket, a few amount of water remains. So that is grey water. And after ablution, also some water remains. So should we use them for planting water? Yes, the answer is yes and no, both. Because, for example, after washing clothes in the water, there may be some chemicals. So if we use for planting water, that would be harmful for the plants. So, in my opinion, we ought not to use that. And the second is after ablution. After making ablution, it is shown that you can use that for watering plant. Because there is no chemical. So that is not harmful for the plants. So we had better use the water after ablution, alright? So I hope you understood all things. Thanks a million for watching this video. You are invited to watch the next one. Don't forget to like and comment. I'll be back soon. Allah Hafiz.